guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today we're making a delicious, spicy Italian Style Kale. Never been able to jump onto the kale bandwagon? Well, hopefully this recipe will make you a believer. This dish is not only nutritious, but it also tastes great and makes an amazing side dish or base to a warm salad. Before you start, make sure to wash and drain your kale well. You don't want any grit or grime hidden in those leaves. I tore the kale up into bite-sized pieces and discarded the tough stems. I personally just think they're too tough to chew through, but if you like them, then leave them in. Put your kale to the side while you slice up your garlic. I like to have bigger pieces of garlic instead of mincing it to ensure that it doesn't burn while cooking. In a large skillet over medium heat, add your garlic and red chili flakes to some oil. We want to kind of infuse the oil, so let your garlic and your pepper sizzle away for a minute or two until you can see that the oil has started to take on a more reddish color, but before the garlic burns. Burnt garlic is super bitter and it will make your kale bitter, so you don't want that. Then add in your kale. Toss your kale around in the pan both to coat it in the infused oil and to get up some of those garlic pieces. Cook everything together for a minute and add in some salt and pepper. Cook the kale, constantly tossing it around for another 2 to 3 minutes until the kale starts to wilt, and then add in some freshly grated parmesan or pecorino. Toss the cheese with the kale and cook for another minute and then turn off the heat. To serve, I like to plate it up, making sure to get all of that beautiful brown garlic in there, and then add a little bit more cheese on top. This stuff is so good I could eat the entire recipe by myself, but I'll have some self-control and save some to share later. Please try this recipe at home and don't forget to subscribe to Sweet or Savory Kitchen. Let me know how you liked it and also any other recipes that you want me to try. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Thanks for cooking with me again. Bye!